Hi guys, I am going to make a very simple veggie omelette using some extra leftover stuff I have. So you need 3 eggs or more depending on how many people you're going to feed. Okay, I've got 3 eggs in a measuring cup. I've got a little bit of salt and a little bit of sage, and now I'm going to add in some frozen vegetables that are left over from the rice I made and a couple of cherry tomatoes. Okay, so I mixed it all up, beat it with a fork, and now I'm going to transfer it to a pot that has a frying pan that has olive oil in it. So as it starts to cook, you can move in the parts that are cooked and get some of the runniness, the eggs that are runny, out to the sides. When the one side is mostly cooked, one way you can flip it if it's big is to cover the pot with a plate, like so, and flip it. As you can see, my pot, because I need a new one, it didn't flip it evenly, but that's okay, because I'm going to take part of this and just put it in a bun. That's how my mom used to make her tortillas, and so that's how I'm going to have it. You could add cheese or whatever you like. An omelette sandwich. These are good hot or cold. Bon appetit!